your right hand.
Okay, yeah. So this is your trombone. I'm going to put the case on the floor because it's enormous. And the first thing that we need to do is learn how to open our case. So you always want to make sure that your instrument brand is facing the ceiling, so that you can see it, like that, and you can do it.
And you want to really be careful to make sure that when you're not playing the slide immediately goes on.
So
your slide will end up
then, yeah, and then you're gonna want your latches will flip.
Lay that down somewhat flat on the side.
Got it. Cool.
Other way.
Yeah. So now we're gonna want to probably put that on the floor. So
to create a good trombone,
there are 3 parts to the trombone. In your lid, you're going to want to put your case on the ground, and that is your slide. You're going to want to always, when you're taking that out, make sure that this right here is in this position, in the closed position, because if it's not, this can open and that's bad to go. So you want to always make sure that that's closed. And that down here is going to be your water key.
Yeah. And now
I'll talk about that later, but I'm telling you. Okay, so that's your slide. And then you have
nice and open
the bell.
I've been trying doing it on.
And this is your tuning slide, which you can pull
and
out.
so try and do some sirens, and the way you get higher pitch is it.
But
it's good. Okay.
your instrument is sharp. Playing sharp on this part pull out to make it.
You also close a little bit your
Okay.
So it goes out to make it flat and then go sharp.
Yeah, you can just leave it this way.
Yeah, that's really good.
Okay.
And then if you want to make it sharper, you
so
just change your own.
Make sure the slide left on.
So let's put it together, shall we? So put the U part of your slide on the ground. Okay. It might be easier to have that facing you, the larger part, and then you're gonna want to take
and just try
that and feed it in
just all the way
here.
up. I'm so jealous of you because I did not.
You're gonna want to.
That's actually.
Yeah, you can. We can mess with the angle
right here
later.
is first.
Keep in mind that you're going to be manipulating the slide with your right hand.
And I want to like screw it in.
So if you're going to be playing it,
and you're also doing
manipulating
correct.
it like that,
It's similar to the flute where you don't want to go.
Hold on.
You want to do.
So
now
yeah.
moving on to some positions to get some different notes.
So
First position is
Okay.
is
Is your
flat, and then to get
mouthpiece
C,
is
you're
going to go in here.
Oh, I
You're gonna go all the
So it should be
and that's
like
sixth position.
it should never be a wider angle than that. And then
Good. Now just
like
try
I said, your
doing that.
mouthpiece is going to go in there, and when you're actually playing the trombone, it's going to rest on your left shoulder.
You were right.
So try putting that on your left shoulder, and we'll figure out if we can change
And then
it.
to get up
Because okay, yeah, we're going to need to.
D, you're gonna go to
That
the
has to be a mountain.
Left shoulder. Yeah, there we go. I get confused because I'm
That's the higher.
cool. Alright, so we've got that going for us. So just lock your slide and place your trombone carefully. You want to try to avoid putting weight on your slide because that is not good. So you're going to put it down sort of steady. So we're going to get out our mouthpiece and we're going to talk about embouchure. So your mouthpiece is out here. This is your mouthpiece.
I think
Okay, so embouchure.
Okay, so now
You're gonna. We're just gonna try. Do a lip trill. Just
Oh
go.
god.
You're actually doing the first.
Just there you go. See, that's good. And then to make your embouchure, all you're gonna do is sort of firm the corners of your lips. It's good, yeah. And maybe like pucker the center of your lips a little bit.
There we go. So now you're on
Good. All right. So let's try it with the mouthpiece. So just put that kind of like right where the center. Yay! That's awesome. Awesome. Okay. So maybe like try to like that's it, you know? You're doing really well.
Okay, hold on, I can do this.
Yes, you can. Good. Okay. So let's talk about preparing to play before we actually play. You're gonna want to sit on the edge of your chair, like it's like you're in class, you know. Don't let the back of your back touch the back of your chair. Is what I meant. And you want to like make sure your posture is good. Feet flat on the floor. And when you breathe, you always want to feel the expansion of the cage. You know? Sure. Alright. That should about cover that. So now let's pick up our trombone. It's gonna be very fun. So your mouthpiece goes in there, and you just carefully sort of twist it out. Twist it clockwise, you got this.
Yeah.
Do
I just keep going or
no, it's good.
Oh, okay.
So like I said, you're gonna want to rest it kind of on your left shoulder.
Not quite that way.
Rest your pointer
There
way it's
There we go. And then what are we doing with our
It takes a little, the intonation is tricky, so
you're gonna want to
you
wrap
kind of have to
your
like
thumb
experiment it and see
around.
and just get
This is where it's
like,
kind of difficult, the hand position.
the muscle memory of feeling where it is for you. So,
Here, let me just show
everyone's arms
you.
are a little bit
Okay.
different.
Yeah. Definitely.
So that's its position.
I'm more of a visual.
But
Oh, cool.
also,
Alright, so it's kind of like
back
this
of
Your thumb.
So if you like,
That happened.
try and look at that.
Do you want me to put this in?
So then just want to do one more note. So you had G was
Your thumb's gonna wrap here,
make sure this is right.
and
My left. Okay, yeah, my left.
your left thumb, is gonna wrap here, and then the rest of your fingers will kind of go on the brace. And you can
This bar.
anchor yourself here, and then with the slide, you're just gonna hold the tips of your fingers of your right hand.
So
Okay, so give that a try.
Okay, now let's actually try and
I know.
go back to the and see if you can do
And then remember
B
the
flat
tips of your
and then
fingers.
go F, because F is in
Alright, so notes. Here, slide in first position, which is basically all the way closed. And now try talking about with the trill with your right hand.
So when
I think
so
if I'm hearing correctly, that actually might be an F, which is really good. Just try to like relax your eyes a little
and
bit.
so now if you
Sorry.
try going.
You're good.
Make sure your arm isn't.
Just
your elbow needs to be, like, a little bit-
maybe separate your.
So you can get your finger.
Are your fingers actually touching when your lips are closed?
But don't let
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
My throat is such a- It's weird, it's like, sorry.
Totally
Doesn't
cool.
matter.
So maybe just try to loosen up your lips a little bit more.